Hello everyone and welcome to the Finland Academy and MTrade software. So in the series of week gone by, we are seeing that means how the Nifty was in the previous week and what are the key levels for this week. So in the previous week, the market has kept on moving its momentum on the high side. It on a week on week basis, it has gained 2%. Month till date, it has gained near about a 6%. So overall momentum remains a positive. But one more observation that we have witnessed, the intensity of the rise in this particular movement, which has begun from 7,500. So if you just try to understand the intensity of the rise, so let's say this is what inception point of rally, and this is what the first high it has created. So which was around near about a 32 percentage. Now if we take the rise of a second move, so it comes at around 33 34 percentage. So it says that means 32%, 33% in last two times it has moved on the high side, and this time from this bottom till the recent high we have seen that means upside momentum has happened near about 27 28 percentage. But let's say if I have to just equate the recent upside momentum within a, let's say 32%, which is an average, so I'm just taking the extended move from this point to come to at a 32% kind of thing. So here we can say that when it comes to the 32%, so somewhere somewhat the figures are near about 14,000 level. And the same thing it can be explained with a Fibonacci extension as well. So let's say we think in the last video we have discussed on that front about the Fibonacci extension, the importance of 14,000 to the 40,200 level. So let's say this is what my base move bottom, this is what the high, and this is what again the intermediate low. And once we release the Fibonacci extensions, so the 200 level the extension was there, it has taken out, and the next best resistance level is around 14,128. Secondly, of the recent move, if you take the Fibonacci extension, so let's say this is what the recent upside momentum that we have picked up. The upside momentum from this point to this point, again the prices has come down to this point. And if we release our Fibonacci extension, so we can say that the 224 level of earlier time and the 200 level of this particular level coincide very closely, which comes at around 12,000, 14,200 to 14,000 level. So this particular 200 patch becomes a potential resistance point. But as of now, resistance is on the back seat because in a broader structure, the resistance are kept on violating, and unless and until the supports level are intact, we cannot say that the negative momentum has developed. So to have the negative momentum, we need to have the kind of the base level on the lower side. So let's say while the market has picked up its momentum on the high side, so this is what 13,500 level is in the upper level, and on the lower side this is what the lower level, lower band of the consolidation, where the market has made its base for a couple of days and thereafter it has picked up its momentum. So actually speaking, the 13,400 level becomes a immediate support level for it, as it is in the base of this upside momentum. So as far as the 13,400 level intact, the things can be believed that it is under the positive territory, under the bull's grip. Whatever the correction in between happens, this is in a part of corrections, but the negativity can be taken up once the index sustained below the 13,400 level, and on the high side, as we say, that means 14,000 to the 14,200 level is the potential resistance level. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.